The role and significance of vehicle crash attorneys. In a world heavily reliant on transportation, vehicular accidents have become an unfortunate reality that affects countless lives every day. These accidents can result in physical injuries, emotional trauma, property damage, and financial losses. Navigating the legal complexities that arise from such incidents can be overwhelming for those involved. This is where vehicle crash attorneys step in, playing a crucial role in ensuring that justice is served and the rights of the victims are protected. In this essay, we will explore the importance of vehicle crash attorneys, their responsibilities, and their impact on individuals and society. The role of vehicle crash attorneys. Vehicle crash attorneys, also known as personal injury lawyers or car accident lawyers, specialize in providing legal representation to individuals who have been involved in vehicular accidents. Their primary goal is to help accident victims receive fair compensation for the damages that they have suffered. This compensation may cover medical expenses, property damage, lost wages, pain and suffering, and more. These attorneys serve as advocates for their clients, navigating the complex legal landscape and dealing with insurance companies, law enforcement agencies, medical professionals, and other relevant parties. They possess a deep understanding of personal injury laws, liability rules, and insurance regulations, enabling them to build strong cases on behalf of their clients. Responsibilities of vehicle crash attorneys. Legal consultation. Vehicle crash attorneys provide initial consultations to accident victims, assessing their circumstances of the cases and determining its legal merits. This consultation often includes an evaluation of the potential compensation that could be pursued. Investigation and evidence gathering. Attorneys work to gather evidence related to the accident, including police reports, witness statements, medical records, photographs, and any other relevant information that can strengthen the case. Negotiation. Attorneys negotiate with insurance companies to ensure their clients receive a fair settlement. They are skilled at countering low-ball offers and advocating for maximum compensation. Legal representation. If negotiations fail to yield a satisfactory outcome, vehicle crash attorneys are prepared to take the case to the court. They present evidence, argue on behalf of their clients, and strive to secure a favorable judgment. Client support. Beyond the legal aspects, these attorneys offer emotional support to their clients during a challenging time. They help victims understand their rights and options, guiding them through the legal process and with compensation and professionalism. Impact on individuals and society. The impact of vehicle crash attorneys extends beyond individual clients. By ensuring that victims receive fair compensation, these attorneys contribute to restoring the quality of life for those affected by accidents. Medical bills, rehabilitation costs, and property repairs can place immense financial strain on individuals and families. Vehicle crash attorneys help alleviate this burden, allowing victims to focus on recovery rather than financial stress. Moreover, the work of these attorneys promote accountability and responsibility among all parties involved in vehicular accidents. Insurance companies are incentivized to handle claims fairly and effectively, knowing that skilled legal representation can expose unjust practices. This contributes to a safer road environment by encouraging better adherence to safety standards and regulations. In a world where vehicular accidents are a constant threat, the role of vehicle crash attorneys cannot be overstated. They serve as advocates, guides, and champions of justice for individuals who find themselves grappling with the aftermath of accidents. By navigating legal complexities, negotiating with insurance companies, and representing their clients in the court, these attorneys contribute to the fair treatment of accident victims and the promotion of road safety. Their impact reverberates not only in individual lives but also in society's collective efforts to ensure a safer and a more just world for all. The evolution and challenges facing the vehicle crash attorneys. The evolution of vehicle crash attorneys. Over the years, vehicle crash attorneys have adapted to changes in technology, legislation, and societal norms. With the advent of smartphones and dashboard cameras, the availability of real-time evidence have revolutionized how attorneys approach accident cases. Visual documentation of accidents and their aftermath has become a crucial asset in building strong cases. Additionally, advancement in medical care have led to more accurate assessments of injuries and their long-term implications, aiding attorneys in accurately calculating the appropriate compensation. Furthermore, the legal landscape surrounding vehicular accidents has evolved. Laws related to distracted driving, impaired driving, and vehicle safety standards have become more stringent, aiming to prevent accidents from occurring in the first place. Vehicle crash attorneys play a role in advocating for the rights of the victims within these changing legal frameworks, ensuring that victims receive the compensation they deserve while holding negligent parties accountable. Challenges facing vehicle crash attorneys. Despite their critical role, vehicle crash attorneys face challenges that impact their ability to provide effective legal representation. Insurance industry practices. Some insurance companies may employ tactics to minimize payouts to accident victims. This can include offering low settlements or delayed claims process. Attorneys need to navigate these challenges to ensure that clients are treated fairly. Complex legal processes. The legal processes surrounding personal injury cases can be complex and time consuming. Attorneys must stay up to date on evolving laws and regulations to provide accurate evidence, advice, and representation. Negligence and liability proof. Establishing fault and liability in an accident can be challenging, especially when multiple parties are involved. Attorneys must meticulously gather evidence and build a compelling case to prove negligence. Emotional toll. Dealing with clients who have experienced trauma can take an emotional toll on attorneys. Balancing legal advocacy with empathy and support requires a delicate approach. Settlement versus litigation. Attorneys must help clients decide whether to accept a settlement or pursue litigation. This decision involves assessing the potential risks and benefits of each option. Conclusion: they were essential guardians of justice. In a society where accidents are an unfortunate reality, vehicle crash attorneys stand as steadfast guardians of justice for those affected. Their multifaceted roles, from legal advisors to emotional support providers, empower accident victims to seek the compensation they deserve. As the technology, laws, and social expectations continue to evolve, these attorneys adapt their strategies to secure just outcomes for their clients. Their timeless efforts not only restore the lives of accident victims but also contribute to a safer and more accountable transportation system. In facing challenges placed by insurance practices, legal complexities, and emotional demands, vehicle crash attorneys exhibit unwavering commitment to their clients' well being. Their work not only shapes individuals' lives but also shapes the broader landscape for road safety, encouraging responsible behavior among all road users.